Hello there, this is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I'll be walking you through the planning briefing recorded on Sunday, August 8th. So just a few of the key points. We are seeing pretty widespread rain across the area today with expectations of some thunderstorms this afternoon across southwest Montana. We will have a cooler, slightly more moist day on Monday with a slow warm-up ensuing through mid next week. And by Thursday, Friday, we'll be fully under high pressure once again and back to abnormal heat. So here's a look at the current satellite imagery. We have this low pressure system that is spinning through eastern Washington, and that feature will be moving through the Idaho Panhandle and northwest Montana today. Ahead of that feature, we've got a cold front that has moved into western Montana and through part of north central Idaho, and that is really where we're seeing most of the precipitation today. As we go forward through the rest of today, this is a model simulation of what will happen with the precip. You'll see with time it's going to gradually shift southward from Missoula south into southwest Montana. There is the potential to see a few thunderstorms develop along that line. And then overnight tonight, as that low moves through northwest Montana, we will have some wraparound moisture. Most areas will dry out, but it does look like there could be a band of precip that moves through Missoula, and we'll also have lingering precipitation up across northwest Montana near the Continental Divide. And in fact, there's even potential to see some snow showers down to about 7,500 to 8,000 feet, particularly in Glacier National Park. Going back to this afternoon, as I mentioned, there is a chance to see some thunderstorms to develop. It looks like the chance for the stronger storms looks like it's going to be generally to the south and east of Missoula, so including areas like Missoula and down into portions of the Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest. Any thunderstorms that develop will have the main threat potential being gusty and erratic outflow winds. However, we can't completely rule out the potential of hail. Another thing for this afternoon for areas across southwest Montana and into Limhi County, we are looking at some breezy winds as the front moves through, possibly gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour pretty easily in these areas. So an active day today. Now, as we move forward, that low pressure system is going to linger some showers across the area tomorrow morning, but it should generally be moving out of the area for Monday. And so with that, it's going to be leaving some much cooler temperatures. This graphic on the left here shows what our expected high temperatures are going to be Monday afternoon. And you'll see a lot of areas are really only going to be reaching into the 70s tomorrow, with a few locations in far northwest Montana and central Idaho reaching into the 80s. But for the most part, it's going to be a much cooler day. We'll see some higher humidities. However, we are going to be gradually seeing an influence of high pressure building in, and so that is going to bring a general warming trend through the week, so that by the time we get to Thursday, which is shown here on the right, temperatures are going to be right back into that above normal category for this time of year. So you'll see across western Montana a lot of valleys in the upper 80s to the low 90s, and those lower valleys in central Idaho reaching into the hundreds. So this period of cooler, more moist conditions does look relatively short as we see that high pressure building back in and temperatures trending up. This is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, and you'll see pretty high probabilities of those above normal temperatures as well as below normal precipitation expected in that August 12th to August 16th time frame. So that's the end of this week going into next weekend. So with that, here is our weather threat matrix. After today, for the most part, things look pretty benign, pretty quiet going into about Wednesday, and then you'll see Wednesday onward, that's when we start seeing signatures for hot and dry conditions once again. So things may start to get a little bit more active out there, especially as we approach Thursday and Friday. That's all we have here today. The next recording is scheduled for August 12th, but in the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call us anytime. Thanks and have a great day.